have these beautiful Pseuteriums available. I don't know if these are real though. I'm trying to see if these are real, but I can't. I think so because they're quite human.
Pastel pink in the sunset. You know I never wanna make you upset. How did I become so obsessed with this?
Mes Amis, Saba. I hope you guys are doing well. I know guys, sorry, I haven't been around in a minute, mainly because COVID. We've been locked up inside and I just haven't had the, motivation to make videos because I love making vlogs. I love showing you around Paris and what have you. So the fact that I couldn't do that was really just like, taking its toll on me. But I'm back. We are now semi-open. Shops are open, but not restaurants, sadly. So I'm just gonna go out, meeting up with a friend. We're gonna go plant shopping because if you didn't know, that's a new thing I'm obsessed with. I have these moments, guys. I'm such an obsessive compulsive person. Whatever I get into, I get into. So right now, that is my new hobby, plants. So we're gonna go check out some new plants, new places in Paris that you can find new plants in, and just have some fun finally back in Paris because COVID is just taking away our lives. Legit, like confinement number 2 was hard on me. It was hard on a girl. So I'm just trying to get back into the spirits. It's almost Christmas, and yeah, just enjoy a bit of Paris like I usually used to do. So anyway, guys, stay tuned. Let's go have some fun in Paris. Oh wow. First stop, we're by Bercy. It's a nice area. It's usually quite happening during summer because it's got lots of birds and they always like have parties and stuff there. But right now it's winter, so nobody got time for that. But anyway, we are here at the first place. That's the name. I can't say it. It's French. I think it's Trofo. Yeah. Anyway, that's the first spot. We're gonna go check out some plants and anyway, let's go. How beautiful are these views though. Love it. I have these beautiful Pseuteriums available. I don't know if these are real though. I'm trying to see if these are real, but I can't. I think so because they're quite humid. Great way to start. I love Pseuteriums. They just take care of themselves, literally. Oh no, I think they are real. Wow, they have a spider tree there. They have a lily over there. And this one is, I think that's a begonia and a fern of sorts. Yeah, they have a few. Is it real? I don't know. I'm so confused. Is that a croton? No, I don't think it's real. This has this Adansonii that is Monstera Adansonii that is massive. Look at this. It is huge. As well as Monstera. Oh, they look so healthy. Look at these baby Monstera. Is that a Monstera? That's not a Monstera. I don't know what this is. Oh, what is this? I know the name of this. I forgot. What is the name of you? It's a Philodendron. You can't just say Philodendron and not give. Oh yes, I know this one. I'll leave the name in the description box or in my comments. But I know this one. It's a Philodendron though. Ooh, wow. Guys, this is a jungle and it's a lit jungle. Literally. Look at that Monstera. That beautiful Monstera. Gorgeous. And ZZ plants. What is this? A philodendron what? It's got beautiful leaves. They have lots of ferns. Ferns and fiddle leaf figs. Gorgeous. And money trees. If you're looking for money trees. And I think these are Dracaena. but they're very tall. And how much are they? 42 euros for this big boy. It's not bad. Ooh, some more. I think this is a Dracaena as well. Oh my gosh, they have these skin. What are these? Trike something. Oh my gosh, this is insane. And Hoyas. What Hoya are you, baby? Is this a variegated Hoya? Oh my gosh. Oh, this is beautiful. Philodendron. I think this is a golden pothos. Sorry, golden pothos. I think. Oh, a Birkin. How much are you? 9. I'm taking this. It's a Birkin. That is 9 euros. And a fiddle leaf fig. That is so tiny, but I can't see. Oh, it's like 6 euros. This is insane. This place is. Are you joking? Orbifolia. This is like one of my dream plants. Like it's on my wish list of plants. This Calathea. Oh my gosh. Look at the leaves. Oh, and it's a Calathea. You don't know. Calatheas are a lot of work, bruh. Like taking. Feel this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Feel this.
That is beautiful.
Feel it.
This
So
one is beautiful.
this is my spot. Like Calathea. This
What
is a
is it? What
Calathea.
is it?
It's like I can't tell you. Look at how massive she is. Oh my gosh. I forgot the name of this plant. Oh my gosh, it's on the top of my tongue, but I just can't remember right now. But I'll put it on the screen as well. Oh, this place is heaven. They have ponytail, palms. Oh my gosh, look at that stem. It's massive. I also have croton. I'm not really a croton fan, but you know. And these different bachia with variegation that is just next level. Wow. Wow. I'm literally in heaven. We're back. So we ended up not filming as much as I would like to because we ended up just going to the one shop, but that shop was amazing. It had so many amazing plants. I was just like, what? I'm in heaven. So I literally I kind of forgot that I was supposed to be vlogging. And there's just like, oh my gosh, so many plants that I want to see and touch, and that are on my wish list. And I was like, I need to just check them out. So I'm just here now. I've come back, I'm back home, and I just want to just show you a few plants that I have in my collection so you guys can see how insane this collection has actually gotten. And I actually have a problem, guys. I genuinely have a problem, but it can't be solved. So I just want to share a bit of my plant just show you a few of my babies, see how beautiful, and maybe you also want to get involved in this whole plant life. So anyway, let me show you one of my favorites. This is one. Okay, no, first I want to show you my first plant, my first ever plant, this baby here. She is an ivy, an English ivy. So cute. Started off literally here. I think that's why I ended up liking plants, because I was like, oh my gosh, I grew all of this. This is me. This is my hard work, So I was actually interested in the whole process of growing plants. Oh my gosh, let me keep going. Let me try another one and see if I won't kill it off. And then, so then I got myself this baby. This is literally one of my favorite plants ever. I love this plant so much. This plant is a Calathea. Remember the name. It's a something diamond or medallion. Yes, a Calathea medallion. Look at how beautiful these leaves are. Look at how lush they are. This baby was one of my first, after that one, first purchases when I was like, okay, let me get into serious about this whole plant situation. And just look at how beautiful she is. At night, the leaves will curl up and all you'll see is the beautiful purple at the back. Oh, I love this plant so much. And she loves me too. We are this is one of the hardest plants to grow in the plant world. But for me, she is just amazing. We're besties. It's amazing, right? And I also have another one. This is called a prayer plant. This plant also, at night, it curls up and you can see the leaves also, this is gorgeous as well. I have an obsession with Calathea, if you've noticed, which is this type of plant. Calatheas are, they just have these beautiful leaves. For me, it's just like, wow, it's amazing to look at. And what else do I have? Oh, I have so many plants. This is an alocasia that I got, a new baby. Oh, I stepped on its leaf. Oh, look at it. But look at that leaves. Look at these leaves. At night, literally, there'll be water droplets coming out of it. I don't know. Apparently, it's called guttation or something. I'm learning a lot in this plant world. There's a lot that I didn't know about, but it's quite interesting, you know? I'm just going with it. And this is one of the easiest ones that I have. Simple baby to look after. It's called a snake plant? No, spider plant. So easy to look after, but what an amazing plant to have. If you're a beginner, I would thoroughly suggest that you get your hands on one of these. These babies are quite easy to look after. So just for the newbies. Also, if you have brown thumbs, this one is also a good one to try out. This is called a sansevieria. I forgot which sansevieria it is. It's also called a snake plant. Yeah, snake plant. So this one is also easy. Literally, you can neglect this plant and it'll still love you. It'll just give you, you know, I think I've got new growth here happening. I haven't done anything to this plant, but it still loves me. It still gives me beautiful leaves. And today, guys, I'm so excited about my purchase today. Is this beautiful Orbifolia Calathea. Guys, this is on my wish list of plants. I was so excited that I found this at this new spot that I found in Paris. My gosh, they have amazing plants. And this was only 25 euros for this massive plant. 25. Look at these leaves. Look at them. Guys, you don't understand how hard it is to find this plant. So I'm just so excited that I actually managed to get my hands on one of these. I'm so excited. I love this. It's my new baby, guys. She's so cute. She's so cute. But yeah, so as you can see, like, my obsession is real. I'm going to show you a bit of some of my plants so you can just have, because not all of them, I'll just showing you some highlights of my obsession that is now my life. So I'll just watch out for a few more of these plants that I have for you. Let me show you. See, guys, this is my mini jungle in my apartment. Like, literally, I have a problem. I literally have a problem. But oh, look at that baby. So excited to have finally gotten this plant, and I just don't see it stopping. I just see it getting worse and worse. It's actually about to get, and this one, oh, this Maranta, so gorgeous. But yeah, this is just a view of all my plants currently. So yeah, it's out of hand. I know. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed my day of plant shopping and looking at my beautiful plants that I have with me. If you like this type of video, please like and subscribe to my channel. I'm not, it's not really a plant channel, no, it's not the situation, but I do love to have a bit of a obsession with plants, so here and there I will have some plant, you know, content. But in general, I also, if you love seeing Paris and things that you can do in Paris and hobbies that you can get involved in Paris, well, this is the channel for you. So make sure that you subscribe to my channel, and let's keep on going. So guys, I'm so happy to be back, and I'm so excited to be making content again. I'm glad that Paris is back and it's open and we can buy more plants. I know it's bad. I know, guys, I really have a problem. I know. Don't judge me, please don't judge me, but I just love this. I want a jungle. I literally want a jungle in my apartment. I want everything white. I want, like, completely everything white, and then just greenery everywhere. So that's the goal. So as you can imagine, that's why I have all these plants. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed the day with me out and about in Paris plant shopping, and I hope to make more videos going forward. I'm so excited to be back. Anyway, guys, love you so much. Have a great day. Bisous. Au revoir.